Booker, hurry!
No, that's the E.
No, that is certainly it.
No, it's not.
It is.
Play the whole song, he'll come back.
Is.
Here. Try again.
No, you try.
Fine.
Stop it!
Nope, that is not it.
Stop
Fine.
it! You don't
Here
know
you
what
are.
you're doing!
Ha! There it is.
You've done it now. He's coming back. He's coming back.
The notes were correct.
The instrument was not.
One needs both to get his attention.
But if you know how to sing to him...
He will take you where you need to go.
Who are you?
We are where we are needed.
And needed where we are.
So Comstock uses these songs. Are there others we can use? Something to keep the bird off our back?
Perhaps you should ask the maestro himself.
So where is he? Of course. Well, at least they left the piano.
Booker. That's Comstock House. If we're gonna find him, we should start there.
The bots are coming! We need to leave the dock!
Where are these people going?
Push off immediately!
Wherever the Vox Populi ain't.
Close your eyes and jump! You can do it! Come on, you can do it! Just jump! Jump! Come on, jump!
I cannot do it! I'm sorry!
You need to remove your belongings or we can't take any more people! The barge is full! You're going to have to remove some of your luggage if we're going to fit more people on deck! The barge is at full weight! We're taking off now! Disembark!
More money.
Do it!
Okay! Need this?
That'll do!
Salt! Booker, don't die!
Do it!
There.
Elizabeth.
Done. Stay with me, Booker.
Now.
There you go. On it.
Need some help with this.
Sure thing.
What is it about that song that brings in the bird?
It always has. When I was younger, I used to be excited when I heard it.
Excited?
He was all I had. He fed me, brought me books. He was my friend.
Friend?
Until I grew up. And I hated him. Because he was my warden. He's just Comstock's pet, isn't he? Just like me. All yours. Look at this. Fitzroy's no better than Comstock. Was she?
Once people get their blood up. Easy to settle it down again.
Press to lunge at enemies, delivering a tornado blow.
This is on our hands, isn't it?
Electricity! Arcs and sparks!
Elizabeth!
Bet. I'll wait down here.
Locked. Elizabeth?
Come on. Give me something challenging. Got it.
Nice.
Ancient mariner, let the vigor undertow disperse the hated albatross.
Go ahead. I'll be fine.
A guarantee. Who has time for all that paperwork?
This prophecy business. You don't think anyone can really see the future, do you?
I saw something once when I first got here. A dream. It was New York, but larger than any New York I ever saw. It was burning.
None of the prophet's magic is rubbing off on you.
Do it. Now!
There you go.
Yeah!
Perfect timing!
Do it! Now!
Sure thing!
Go!
That's all I have!
Seems right up your alley.
That won't take but a minute. There. I just realized who those two are. They, well, at least she, invented the technology that allows the city to float.
Giant balloons.
Quantum particles, suspended in space-time at a fixed height.
So, not giant balloons?
But the thing is, my book said they disappeared several years ago.
I told you they'd come.
No, you didn't.
Right. I was going to tell you they'd come.
But you didn't.
But I don't.
You sure that's right?
Something tells me they're not exactly what they appear.
I was going to have told you they'd come.
No,
The subjunctive?
that's not a subjunctive.
I don't think the syntax has been invented yet.
It would have had to have been.
Had to have had been. That can't be right.
They seem to want to help.
They seem to be out of their
Odd,
minds.
isn't it?
What's odd?
The fact that we sometimes...
Finish each other's sentences?
Exactly.
It would be odder if we didn't.
How do you suppose they manage that?
I'll get back to you after I figure out the floating city bit. Come on, Comstock House is up ahead.
The seed of the prophet shall sit the throne.
Thought they'd...
District's out. Execute anybody who looks like they give us trouble. Anyone with a gun, anyone wearing glasses. Round up the rest.
Mr. Comstock, when we next meet, it won't be to parley. See, I went out to that Hall of Heroes to scalp your false shepherd for you. Turns out, though, DeWitt speaks Sioux. He helped me to swap words with this crippled child I've been, looking after. Now, after hearing how the kid has fared in your city, I'm thinking when we take your pelt, I'll let him hold the knife.
what you get. She feels neglected.
So what you gonna run with that thing? Caterpillar.
Here's some cash.
Great.
The judge says, budge, I didn't reject. You better keep her. You'll find it cheaper than making
Huh? Dance with the man!
Put it to the torch!
Listen. Rich girl dance.
Do it!
On it! Need these salts?
Do it now.
Okay. Sorry, that's all I got. Take this ammo. Catch, Booker.
Much obliged.
See where it went? Don't give it an inch! Surround me!
Nice! Go ahead!
On it!
That one! Now!
Sure thing!
So much pain!
There! That one!
There you go!
Want your soul!
That one!
Okay!
Yeah!
Catch, Booker!
Go ahead.
Bet. On it.
Take a look at this?
Give me a second. It's done.
Do it.
There you go!
Dibs on his boots. Ha! Dibs on his girl! You over there?
Those turnstiles are one way. Should we check out the bookstore before we leave? These lock when we pass through. We won't be able to return.
Can you open this?
It's a simple dual-dial lock. My book said most fools keep the combination no more than 20 feet away.
Let's hope we find one of those fools. This might be it. Why are you so keen on lockpicking and code breaking?
If you put a person in a cage, they develop an interest in such things.
I suppose so.
And I won't be locked up again.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth, you...
Promise me.
I will stop him.
No. That is an oath you cannot keep. But promise me that if it comes to it, You will not let him take me back.
It won't come to that. All right?